Easy English Conversations. What do you do every day? Conversation 1. Hi Rahim, how are you? I'm well, thanks. How are you? I'm good too. What do you do every day? I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go jogging. I get the bus to work. I read a book on the bus. I eat lunch. After I finish work, I play cricket. I eat dinner. I have a shower. Then I go to sleep. Great! Conversation 2. Hello, Karim. Hi, Rahim. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too. What do you do every day? I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I ride my bicycle to school. I study English. I play football with my friends. I do my homework. I eat dinner. Then I go to bed. Conversation 3. Hello, Hassan. Hi, Rahim. How's it going? Great. What do you do every day? I wake up early. I say my prayers. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to college. I study with my classmates. I come home. I help my parents. I watch TV for a while. I eat dinner. Then I go to sleep. Conversation 4. Hello, Sohel. Hi, Rahim. How are you today? I'm fine. What do you do every day? I wake up early. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I answer emails. I drink coffee. I eat lunch. I come home. I listen to music. I read a book. Then I go to bed. Conversation 5. Hello, Imran. Hi, Rahim. How are you? I'm doing well. What do you do every day? I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to the market. I work in my shop. I help customers. I eat lunch. I come home. I spend time with my family. I have dinner. Then I go to sleep. That's wonderful. Thanks for sharing.